So you want to buy a car, but you have been following me on YouTube and you've been watching my videos and you know that a car is a liability. What if I tell you that there is a way to get a car for free? Hey, what is up guys? This is Neil Ladores and welcome back to our channel. And today, or tonight, actually it's nighttime right now but you actually can't see, we're going to talk about how to get a car for a discount if not for free. If that sounds interesting, let's get started. Now obviously first you will still need to have money to buy a car, but we're going to find a way how you could lessen the damage in buying one. So let's say you have $30,000. So you go buy a car? No. You put that $30,000 in the CD, then you go back to the same bank and get a loan for $30,000 using your CD as a collateral. Now if you're going to ask me what is CD, if you're wondering, CD means Certificate of Deposit. Certificate of Deposit is a product offered by banks and credit unions that provides an interest rate premium in exchange for the customer, that's you, agreeing to leave a lump sum deposit untouched for a predetermined period of time. Almost all consumer financial institutions offer them, although it is still up to each bank which CD terms it wants to offer, how much higher the rate will be compared to the bank's savings and money market products, and what penalties it will apply for early withdrawals. Now going back, if your CD will pay you 4% and in loan you will pay 6%, you are going to pay about $704.55 per month for 4 years. If you're going to look at it, for a loan you're going to pay the bank an extra $3,818, but with the CD they are going to pay you $5,096. You're actually going to make money on this transaction from the bank and you're going to have a brand new car. That is it for me today guys. Hope you guys like this video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up by smashing that like button if you like. Comment down below on the topic that you want me to discuss next, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!